think we're here at the bridge as we round up on it. Nice. That should be it, I think. Now the trail does go on. I think well, it's glaring right in the sun, but oh, there's the bridge. Alright, so that's a half mile in. Now I'm just kind of debating. If I keep going, which I'm okay with, I might end up on that pipeline trail again, and it's all flat coming back. So that might be good. At least I won't have to climb all those uphills. So might throw off what I thought my mileage would be, unless there's a sign at the top where it connects telling me how far it is back to the car. Debating. I don't know. Part of me wants to keep going, see what's there. I mean, it's like I can't come back this way again if if it doesn't connect anywhere. But I'll get more mileage out of it. So let's see what time it is. It shouldn't be that long because it's only 10:30. I think I'm gonna keep going. See what's up there. Oops. Sorry, messing with this Ultra Pod. I didn't bring a tripod today. Just the Ultra Pod. Why bring a whole tripod along? I'm sure I've shared with you this trick that I use for filming, like when I'm doing those shots where I'm hiking. So I'll just strap it to a tree because it's got a strap right here. So I just strap it to a tree and then I'll record. So I won't know how it looks until I get home now. If it doesn't turn out, I'll just dump the video, or maybe I'll still use it, who knows. Now we're going uphill again. Should have brought a trekking pole. I think I had one last time. Still in the back of the car. I never did actually bring it. Alright, we are nearing, I believe, the Coal Creek Parkway, which I think you can hear too. Kind of on an uphill switchback. There's a big clearing up here. So if it puts me right on the parkway, I'll just come back And if it connects me to a pipeline, I might take it back to the car and just kind of do a loop. But that means if I come back, I can always reverse the loop. And we got a puppy on trail. Well, found the clearing. It's like storm drainage. Cattails. Fenced in though. There's a paved section here. And it goes up to the parkway. But from the looks of it though, so I came in from over there, and my suspicions are no, it just loops around. Interesting. That's what I was thinking. It would have continued on and headed back up on the ridgeline, but it doesn't. It literally just swings around, sort of a loop. All right. So that way is the way back. So I think I am going to go out to the main road, because if there's a mileage if the mileage is posted, then I'll go ahead and I'll see how far it took me back from over there. That way I have some distance. Then I'll just go back, I guess. Alright, well, one, I know exactly where I am. Two, my apologies for the noise. We're at the May Creek Park. That's where I've been hiking. Boren Creek Bridge, so I end up doing 0.8 miles. Because that's where the bridge is. So I added an extra 0.3 miles. And then there's the Waterline Trail. This is 0.8. Actually, it's actually 0.8. So, yeah. And then there's this way, there's a Highlands Trail that's 1.1 miles. So I think I might go check that out real quick. Alright, so it might be a little noisy, so I do apologize. I'm literally standing on the road. So what I ended up doing is I left that trailhead over here, and I walked up to the next light, which is behind me. So here, and because I could literally see the car from up there, like where that truck's heading, about that yellow sign just right where that truck is about where I'm parked. So I'm gonna call coming up the road to the turn about 0.2, probably another 0.1 back to the car. So I'll call it a good 1.3 mile day. No, 0.8, 0.2, so 1.1 mile day. I'm okay with. I don't have to. I'm not going super far. You know, I got some exercise. I didn't get a ton. Looks like we got a little nature area here. That's cool. You know, honestly, sometimes I wish I could either fly or float. It'd be cool to like just hop down there and just float across the water, checking out everything. I don't know, that'd be kind of cool. Or I've seen I saw a video where someone had a jetpack and they were just buzzing around. Well, that's cool. We got some cone. We got some sunflower seeds. Look at that. A bit unexpected. What if that corn is ripe? I don't know anything about crops. If you know anything about crops, let me know. It looks like it's about ready to go for me. Unless they just, maybe it's past due because the corn's already in stores. Some sunflowers. I kind of appreciate sunflowers. I mean, they're huge. Snapped a picture instead of recording video. But does anybody else feel like this sometimes? I'm walking up and my first thought was, oh, where's my car? But it's tucked behind the two cars there. So, stupid. Paranoid, like, my car, oh my God. Yeah, it's right there. Alrighty. I was gonna do a bag dump, but I didn't bring a tripod with me, so I may just bag dump when I get home. There's like virtually nothing in here because I don't need a bunch of stuff. Same pack. I just had some water, first aid kit, whatnot. But I may bag dump when I get home, just for the curious. Waiting for all the cars. Really? Record's on and every car in town's gotta go by. Hey, Mark's running his camera. Let's all go. Come on, let's go. Anyway, the nice little, wow. I guess there's no avoiding it. So, I'm gonna call it a 1.3 mile day, which is what I would have done had I just come back from the bridge, so. Good game. So anyway, I appreciate watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Do a quick gear dump. Medical kit, first aid. Put on stock first aid kits. I haven't even opened it. Water, which I didn't drink as much as I probably should have. So H2O. That's empty. Oh, I had some of my business cards in case somebody asked me if I was filming. I could just hand them a card. Bar kit. The camera, which I'm recording with. Ultrapod, which I was using to carry. Pair of gloves, just in case I gotta pick something up. Don't want to mess up my hands. Hidden Woodsman signal panel. By the way, this is a Hidden Woodsman Dayrock. Love this pack. Bug spray, because bugs are annoying. Camera batteries and an extra SD card, which I never need, but it's always handy to have extra batteries, which I didn't need either one, but I got the BPS3. Since I'm not doing Fired Up Fridays anymore, I've been trying to rotate it into the mix. And I think that is it. Oh, no, I had a Laura bar in case I get hungry. So I'd have some calories. And that's it. It's real simple. Nothing overly complicated. Alright, so here's just a quick look at everything all sprawled out. Water, knife, bug spray, camera bag, fire kit. Just real simple.